why we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Yeah, Julio make me fulfill. And I might use your phone up with that rap.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with a YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alright guys, so in today's video I'm just gonna show you guys how to boss up, how to level up, how to just beat your face. Like, it's 2023 and I just feel like y'all need to know the game. Like, y'all know I got y'all. So in today's video I wanted to do a very easy, beginner friendly, kind of soft glam makeup. I be in comments, well, not my YouTube channel really, but on other platforms like my Instagram and TikTok, which you guys should follow me there. But that's not a soft glam. Listen, if it's not dramatic and it's not natural, it's soft to me. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but anyways, y'all, so in today's video, like I said, I want to show you guys how to achieve this look using mostly affordable products. Any product that is a little bit on the expensive side, I always tell you guys the dupes and how to get it for cheap. But yeah, I show you guys how to use affordable products and just how to just learn your makeup, how to get comfortable with putting the brush to the face and the face to the brush and just beating it every time. Okay, so if you are ready to start looking like this when you're going out to any occasion, give me your hand, put it right here, and let's get into this video, babes. Hey guys, so let's get into the video. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my skin with the Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is just a nice little prep before we get into the makeup. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just bringing back the moisture after we use a toner. You want to moisturize your skin and make sure it's having the nice nutrients it needs before any other foundations. With my favorite primer, which is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, we're going to work that all the way into the skin as well. And this is an extra step for my prep. I usually don't do this, but I'm going to prep with that new Morphe setting spray and prep spray. So here I'm taking my NARS foundation in shade Tahoe, and I'm just going to work that all over my skin. Make sure you get your neck, okay? You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask, and the way you avoid that is if you go all the way down to your neck. It's just going to make sure everything just looks seamless. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to push this into the skin. As you can see, literally lifting, pushing, lifting, pushing, lifting. No dragging, no tugging, no nothing. Next, we're going to take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in shade Medium Warm, I want to say. It's going to be down in the description box. Every product I use will be down in my description box. But I'm going to go ahead and place that on my T-zone. Then I'm going to take my black Opal contour stick. Oh, I'm talking a little fast, y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and contour. Then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place liquid blush in Pretty Lady, and we're gonna place that on my face. So I did spray my face one more time with that setting spray just to loosen everything up, and now we're gonna go ahead and take my Real Techniques dupe. These brushes are actually from Shein, which I just got so much products from Shein, girl. I got lashes, brushes, application tools, like stuff like that. So if you guys want a little video on a little makeup haul, I can do that for you guys. If not, that's okay. Check out my TikTok because it's going to be there, which all my social media handles is Team Stacie, team.stacie. So here I'm just going to go ahead and blend all these creams on my face. We're blending in that contour stick, which is in shade Hazelnut. Like I said, will be listed down below in the description box if you guys, need the deets on what's going on with the face. But make sure, you're just taking your time and you're blending everything in. All your creams, you want to take your time. Once the creams are blended in flawlessly and that base was nice and just prepped, girl, your makeup is going to give, and it's going to give all day long. So here I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm just going to blend out the contour on my nose, giving my nose a very much snatchy on a look, okay, period. Now, after you put any creams on your face, you want to go back in and set with the powder. So never forget that. Cream, powder, cream, powder, not the other way around, but cream and then a powder. So on my concealer, I'm going to take my translucent setting powder and I'm going to put that all over the concealer. This is going to set and lock that in. Then where I had my contour place, I'm going to go ahead and take a powdered bronzer on top of that and set that cream contour. Next, after that, we're gonna go ahead and take a blush. Because I put a liquid blush down, now I'm gonna take a powder blush and lock it in. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully I'm not talking too fast, but you guys can always go back and rewatch the video. So here I'm just cleaning up, you know, my contour line and everything like that, and now I'm going to jump into my eyebrows. If you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, I definitely have a video down below that you guys can check out, but here I'm just kind of rushing through it. I kept my eyebrows very, very light, very airy, very, you know, you can see the strokes of hair in my eyebrows today, period. Alright guys, so after I contour my eyebrow, not contour, but after I conceal my eyebrows, we're going to go ahead and go in with some eyeshadow. I love Juvia's Place. So first I'm going to take this deep brown shade and I'm going to put this into my crease with a fluffy blending brush. This brush is from Amazon, no specific brush, no name, nothing special, literally just a nice fluffy brush. We're going to go ahead and push that color into the crease, and then we're going to use circular motions to blend it out. Okay, so you know, keep that in mind when you're applying eyeshadows. Push and then circles, push and then circles. That's how you want to get a perfect blended eyeshadow look. So now we're going to deepen that shadow. So first we had a brown, and now we're going to take a deeper brown, put it in the crease, blend it out with circular motions, and now I'm just taking a cream shade and putting it on my lid. That is my holy grail eyeshadow tutorial. That is how I literally look like I did so much on my eyes, but I really didn't. That is like a perfect everyday eyeshadow look, and you can always replace the colors, but we'll talk about that more in another video. So what I'm doing here is just doing a little small cat eye, and then I'm putting on my dramatic lashes. You do not have to wear dramatic lashes, but you guys know I'm extra. Yeah, I get into it first. So here I'm just going to take a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline just to love how that ties the look in. Do not skip this step. Then I'm going to take my Nicka K's deep brown lip pencil, and I'm just going to, you know, outline my lips. Then we're gonna take my Team Stacie Cosmetics. Y'all, this is dropping soon. It's just taking a little bit longer to finalize and get everything perfect, but this shade is perfect for all skin tones. Creamy, long lasting, smells good, feels good, everything. So after I put the Team Stacie Cosmetics on the lips, now I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder with my MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this, you know, shimmer shade in the inner corner, then highlight the face. Guys, if I'm going too fast, rewatch the video as many times as you need, okay? Because I know I do talk a little fast. So after all of that, we're going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and dry her down. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I did want to show you guys how I gave the girls what I was supposed to be giving. Okay, this look is so freaking bomb. Love it. Like everything about this look, it just looks so beautiful. Like all the products that I use, chef's kiss. A beautiful combination of makeup products, and I just can't wait to keep shopping and trying out more stuff because it's just gonna get better from here. So yeah guys, hopefully this video was easy to follow. If you made it this far in today's video, go ahead and comment this secret emoji. That's how I know we're locked in. That's how I know you are a teammate and you're like this with me and we're like this and wrapped around even more. Okay, I love you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching every video that I post. Thank you guys so much for always commenting and engaging. That just means so much to me. You don't even understand. Anytime I have a bad day, I literally go to my YouTube comments and y'all just make me smile immediately. So yeah guys, that is the end of today's video. Love you guys so much. I hate this part because I want to talk to y'all all day, but I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Also, please comment down below what you guys want to see because, you know, I want to make sure I'm giving the girls what they want. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up, and love you guys. Bye.